those whoops are. Oh, and there's Reed! Reed's going after Anderson! He got him! Yeah, here comes Anderson back inside on Reed! Reed's in the bales! Points. If they finish this way, it's 6 between the two. And there goes Dungey! There's the exclamation point, one way or the other. Tomac comes back, takes Dungey out of it! Where's the rest? Checkered flag for Anderson. Tomac second. Grant is third. Dungey is fourth.
Looking to make a move around the outside at this, and he might force his way. Well, he's executed that twice now, hasn't he, in rehearsed? Nice little line there from that inside for Koldenhoff. But has he gone too wide? And Herlings gets alongside. But he doesn't get the drive, but he's going to get the line here at the end of the straight, and he'll hit the brakes. Herlings goes 1-1 here in MXGP, and he's going to be soon.
He seems to be comfortable though, no matter where he needs to go. He just squared up Kennard outside the inside, landed on the rear wheel, got a drive, and took.
Now Alessi, oh! He just center punches him.
That is a straight. Surely, and he will make sure that Ferrandis doesn't come out this corner. Back road is touched at the bottom of the hill. It's an absolute dogfight. Herlings, Ferrandis, which one's he going to beat? Ferrandis is going to park him, or is Ferrandis going to park him? Oh! Herlings, Ferrandis wins! Ferrandis takes the win here! What a race! What a race!
From Eli Tomac.
James Stewart going a little wide there. Ricky has a much better line in that turn, though. He set him up right on the rear fender. Carmichael has his points and Bubba has his.
Yeah, James is, you know what, he's got the ability to raise his game, and he raised it.
Come on, Carmichael, that's what they're cheering. They are getting loud on the sidelines, or they're cheering for Bubba.
Nice
Bubba gets
move.
past. Ricky takes over the lead. Downhill one more time, but there goes Bubba, his fast section. Oh! Lands on the back of Carmichael. Carmichael says, what are you doing?
James was out. He was out.
Bubba landed in the back of Carmichael. That's a case of two lines converging there. And it looks like Kevin Winham's going to take the lead, but more importantly, is James Stewart all right?
I think, you know, Gosler is just hoping to get the bike started. There's Big James, Genie Carmichael going, what the heck was that?
Can't afford to reload! Backhand out. Opposite scrubbing, and Herlings leads for the first time, does he? He's going to come in out. He's going to square him off. No, he thinks. Oh, he goes around the outside. Cairoli looking. He's almost helpless. And a mistake there from the 9-time champ. What a comeback ride for Jeffrey Herlings. It ain't over till it's over.
Cairoli's going for the waves.
Oh! I tell you what, this. On occasions in Ottaviano and at Lommel in Belgium, Cairoli's going to square off. He'll go straight. No, he won't. But it was Herlings who did go on to take an emphatic win in Moto number 2. He did so with about 9 laps to go.